Hey guys, aren't these cool? They are so pretty for Easter. And up next on Uncle Chris, I'm going to show you how to do it. It's quick, easy, and simple. Something you can do with the kids. They'll love it. Hello, Nina. No, not a new addition to the family. Just dog sitting. Oh, God, help me.
Uncle Chris, what you got cooking? Smells so good. Everyone's looking.
Hey guys, it's Uncle Chris and happy Easter. You have to excuse me, I'm dog sitting for a friend, so if you hear some dog barks in the background, it's uncontrollable. All right, so what we're going to do right now, food pantry, deviled eggs for Easter. That's right, colored eggs that you're not going to waste because the kids, it's nice to have colored eggs, but you know, they're hard-boiled eggs. They're not going to eat them. They're just going to peel off the color and that's it. Well, these, they're going to eat. So as you see, I've taken 6 eggs, okay, cut them in half. Put the yolks in here. Now, I've got some food coloring, just regular food coloring. Okay. I'm going to put 2 drops in the hot water in these bowls I got. Okay. I'm going to take the whites of the eggs and soak them in here till they get dyed. Okay. For at least 2 to 4 minutes each, or until you feel the color is deep enough, okay? How's everybody doing out there? I hope everybody's doing fine. This is just a quick, simple thing to do for Easter. This is not for you to go and worry yourself to death over. Just do it as easy as you can, okay? No big deal. And yes, my hands are impeccably clean. I washed them earlier, along with my clothes. No, I'm joking. All right, put these in. I'm gonna take some mayonnaise. A nice good heaping of mayonnaise, and put in the egg yolks, okay? I'm going to take a squirt of ketchup, put it in too. I know you're thinking, a squirt of ketchup. Trust me, I know what I'm doing. Listen to your uncle now. 1 little squirt of mustard, not too much, and a little bit of sugar to compensate for that mustard. I'm going to take a little bit of relish. This is to taste. Okay, about that much. I'm gonna let you see how much of each thing I put in here. All right, it's about that much. We're gonna mix this together. So this is gonna be the filling. I'm gonna see if I need some more mayonnaise, but I don't think I do. Now you know, me being me, I just can't let it be simple. So what I have here is some low sodium bacon I have chopped up. Okay, go in there. We're gonna mix all this in. Now let's put in about, to taste, a little bit of garlic, just a little, because you want too much garlic in there. About a teaspoon of onion. All right. I'm gonna mix this up. Maybe I will put a little bit more mayo in there, but not much. Okay, just a little. And all I have is a little. So I put like about, I'd say another teaspoon in, because that's what was all that was left in the jar. He's been making all these sandwiches. Probably John in the middle of the night. All right. Now, I'm going to let the egg yolks get their color while this is all mixed around. And I'll be right back. Now you can see how the eggs are taking on the color? Yes, yes. Look at that, guys. They are so cool. Look at how they come out, the colors. Oh, wow. Okay, next, I'm going to fill them with our filling, and we'll be done. Okay, guys, we're back. They came out so nice. Now, some people take a plastic bag, snip off the end, and make pretty little rosettes and flowery-like shapes with them. Are we going to do that? Hell no. We're going to keep it simple. Okay. No, I'm not. I'm going to take this here spoon and fill them up. Check this out. Real simple. These are for us, for our display. The rest are going to be for the family. See how they slide around like that? You think I'm going to be bothered with a bag? No, we're going to keep this nice and simple. Ooh, yes. Fill these up. Ooh, all right, nieces and nephews. I have filled up the cups, and we're going to keep it real simple. Paprika, right over the top. Just a little bit, okay. Parsley. And guess what? We are done. That's it, okay? Keep it simple. You got enough to worry about. Don't be Picasso with this. This is just for fun, for the kids. Look, they came out lovely. It's wonderful. It's Easter. You're supposed to be having fun. Now, I will admit, the yellow ones don't have as striking of a color. The blue, the green, and of course the red, which turned out pink, come out wonderful. So stick with those colors. I'm just being honest, let you know, save you some time. Okay? Because you can do this tonight, right before Easter. These come out wonderful. And look, I even have some left over. You know what you do with that? Egg salad sandwich. Yes, you do. It's delicious. Do not overfill them. I only overfilled it because I'm greedy. It's easier to eat if you just fill them so far, okay? But these are really good. All right. Happy Easter, everybody. Big love from Uncle Chris.